And there's nothing quite like being at the Barossa, of course. Buying a house is one thing, but then you've got to enjoy the tastes of the Barossa. And that, of course, doesn't just come in wine, it also comes in chocolate. And so we're here at the Barossa Valley Chocolate Factory. Whether it's ice cream or not, let's go in and take a look. And we have some very nice people in here, very nice people. And I'm going to go straight to the spot that I love, and that is the home of Turkish Delight. And here it is. So let's take a look, and this is the absolute winner, and it's fantastic. This is Turkish Delight, and these are absolutely divine. But as you know, it's pretty busy back here, and you've got to be busy making chocolate, and these look pretty cool. So it's not only housing we're interested in the belly and the taste buds too. So contact us for more information, and also head down here to the Barossa Valley Chocolate Factory and check out all the amazing things that they have on offer.